What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about Metrobank M3 Mastercard. Pag-uusapan natin yung perks and benefits at saka yung application requirements, yung eligibility, criteria kumbaga, kung ano yung dapat yung i-provide at saka ano yung kung magkano yung required income para ma-qualify kayo for Metrobank M3 Mastercard. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman, huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So kung itatanong nyo guys kung magkano yung annual fee neto, good news dahil no annual fee for life po itong credit card na ito ni Metrobank. Ito yung natatanging no annual fee ni Metrobank. Kaya naman, it's a good idea kung gusto nyo naghahanap kayo ng credit card na hindi nyo kailangan isipin yung yearly payment or sinasabing annual fee. It's a good start na mag Metrobank M3 Mastercard kayo. As you can see guys, Metrobank M3 Mastercard, your no annual fee card. So from the word itself, no annual fee card. Metrobank, you're in a good hands. Diba? Ang ganda ng tagline ng Metrobank. Enjoy the perks and privileges of M3 card without paying annual fees. No annual fee for life, 0% installment programs, convert your credit limit to cash with cash to go. So ano ibig sabihin ng convert your credit limit to cash with cash to go? So tulad ng ibang credit cards guys, pwede nyong i-convert yung remaining credit limit nyo into cash dito sa M3 Mastercard ni Metrobank. So, kailangan nyo lang tandaan guys na it comes with different fees and charges of course. Kapag nag-convert kayo ng credit limit nyo into cash, of course, kasama yung interest at saka yung processing fees. Kaya naman, kailangan nyo i-consider din yung kapag gusto nyo i-avail yung convert your credit limit to cash with cash to go. Kapag gusto nyo mag-cash to go in short sa Metrobank credit card. Get more out of your credit card. Nakalagay dito, M here, get discounts or free gifts from partner merchants. So, alam niyo ba guys na mga credit cards is minsan nagbibigay sila ng perks and benefits kumbaga. May pakonsuelo na sinasabi kung saan minsan 50% discount sa mga restaurants at saka may mga 0% buy now pay later. Alam niyo yung ganun na kapag nag-dine kayo sa isang restaurant, kadalasan dyan ino-offer is 50% discount. Halimbawa, may required spending amount lang, which is minsan 3,000, then 1,500 na lang yung babayaran nyo. Ganun yung advantage, which is tulad ng sinabi dito, get discounts or free gifts from partner merchants. So, i-check natin. Kalagay kasi learn more. Kiklik natin yung learn more. Metrobank card promos. Get more with every spend using your Metrobank credit card. Check out the latest credit or debit and prepaid card promos from us. So, hindi lang naman siya sa credit card, meron din naman sa debit. Showing 10 of 948 promos. O, di ba ang dami-daming promos ni Metrobank? Halimbawa ito guys, nakikita nyo, nakalagay kaso coming soon. So, ibig sabihin, hindi pa siya open for public, hindi pa siya available kumbaga. 50% off at Shecase, valid for a minimum spend of 2,500 with select Metrobank Mastercard credit card. So, nais ko lang din malaman ninyo guys na hindi lahat ng credit card ni Metrobank is pwede dito. Selected siya kumbaga. And nakalagay sa baba, available for Titanium Mastercard, Platinum Mastercard. So, kapag nagpunta kayo sa isang restaurant, baka kasi magalit kayo or what, nagwala kayo kasi naka-Metrobank credit card kayo, sasabihin nyo dapat 50%. Huwag nyo pong gagawin yun kasi nakakahiya. Huwag po kayong mag-iskandalo. Tingnan nyo muna yung promo mechanics guys kasi bawat promo ni Metrobank ay may sinasabing promo mechanics which is nandun nakalagay kung qualified yung card ninyong hawak. So kung wala, wala yun. Kailangan nyo mag-antay kung hanggang kailan kayo magkakaroon ng promo mula sa kanila. Andito naman nakalagay 16% off on Qatar Airways flights. So ends in 105 days. So medyo matagal pa siya, almost mahigit 3 months pa siya. Available for travel signature visa, cashback visa reward. So, kung wala dyan yung credit card ninyo, of course, hindi kasama yung credit card ninyo. Nandito rin nakalagay, 0% installment at 24 months on Apple devices. Get Apple devices at cash price with 0% installment at beyond of the box, digital walker, and open source. So, ibig sabihin guys, kung magkano yung cash price doon sa Apple product na yon, 0% nyo siya maa-avail within 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, 24 months. Again, inuulit ko, hindi lahat ng credit card pwede dito. Kailangan nyo i-check kung eligible yung credit card ninyong hawak. The next, guys, is yung balance transfer. Transfer balances from other cards for as low as 1% per month. So, anong ibig sabihin na to, guys? Kapag sinabing balance transfer, guys, yung credit card bill ninyo sa ibang credit card, pwede nyong i-transfer dito sa Metrobank credit card ninyo. Paano nangyayari yon? Pwede nyong ipa-convert dito sa Metrobank mismo. Pwede kayong tumawag sa customer service para ipa-transfer yung balance ninyo from other credit card, which is, of course, it comes with fees. Nakalagay dito 1% per month. At saka may processing fee pa yon. Kaya dapat i-consider nyo rin yun. So, let's learn more about this. Balance transfer, care less, do more. Reset to a brighter tomorrow when you transfer your other cards' balances to your Metrobank credit card. Nandito yung example niya, tenure 3 months, monthly add-on interest is 1%. Hanggang baba siya, hanggang 60 months. Actually, up to 5 years siya, guys. Then, effective annual interest rate is 17.912%. Iba-iba siya hanggang tumatagal, syempre. Kasi mas matagal nyo siyang babayaran, mas tataas yung effective annual interest rate niya. Then sample computation, guys, loan amount halimbawa 50,000, yung magiging monthly amortization nyo kapag 12 months nyo siya babayaran 4,666.67. Sample computation lang ito. Then nakalagay dito sa baba, monthly amortization amount may not be equal to the actual billing amount due to rounding also. May mga rounding off na sinasabi, guys, kaya naman hindi siya nagtutugma talaga kung ano yung present niya. Kaya wag kayong magtaka. The next natin, guys, is yung exclusive promos. Exclusive offers with your Metrobank credit card. Learn more natin. Then may mga exclusive promos naman minsan talaga sa mga credit cards na kung ano yung hawak ninyo. Halimbawa, tulad sa inyo, M-Free Mastercard. No annual fee siya o exclusive lang siya dyan, which is hindi nyo na kailangan indahin yung yearly payment ninyo. Then, let's talk about eligibility criteria. So, must be 18 to 70 years old, must have a minimum gross annual income of 867,000. So, kailangan 18 to 70 years old kayo, guys, at saka dapat yung kinikita nyo sa isang taon is 867,000 para ma-qualify kayo sa credit card na ito. At least 6 months employed as a regular employee. So, dapat regular employee kayo kung wala kayong negosyo. So, yun yung eligibility. Must be a principal card holder with other bank for at least 9 months with a credit limit of at least 25,000 pesos. So, ito yung eligibility criteria, kumbaga. Ito yung application requirements in short. Then, number 2, basic credit card requirements. So, ito yung mga basic, kumbaga. Valid TIN, SSS, GSIS, and UMID ID number. Active business or residence landline number, active mobile number, of course. Valid photo bearing government-issued ID with date of birth and signature. So, yun yung sa application requirements nila, guys. So, i-highlight ko lang, guys, yung eligibility criteria niya. Must have a minimum gross annual income of 867,000. So, kailangan yung yearly income ninyo, guys, is 867,000. Tapos, dapat at least 6 months employed as a regular employee. Tulad yun na sinabi ko, dapat may work kayo. Or kung may negosyo naman kayo, punta lang kayo sa bangko, then kausapin nyo kung ano yung dapat nyong gawin since may business naman kayo. Hahanapan lang kayo ng ITR, which is yung income tax return for further evaluation kung magkano yung earnings ninyo sa isang taon. Kailangan yung financial audit ng business ninyo. So I think that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. So it's me again, Joseph Kate. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials in the future. Bye-bye!